We are here at Ongar. I just wonder if we can get on the station, as in, can we go? If I call it. Yeah, let's see if we can get on the station before our train, which will be very nice. I've just got to show our tickets. I'll show tickets and I'll start filming again. Fingers crossed. Tickets, we can't scan it and we can't go on the platform, as in the platform. We only land in the gardens, which is good enough. We're still here, in technically speaking, and we've got to waste 20 minutes before we can scan our tickets. So let's chill out here. What's this train? Rodston Hornsby of Lincoln, 1955. It's linked to Ongar Railway. It hasn't moved from this spot. It's been here for many years. Many years. And it hasn't gone anywhere. It's just staying put. See, we're only allowed on this bit, guys. And we're not allowed on that bit. It's funny now, isn't it? So we've got to chill out here until the train comes. We'll stay here with Ruston before our train arrives. But the smell of the railway, we can smell coal, diesel, the smell of a railway. Here we give you a tour guide of Ongar Railway. As you can see at the bottom, just down the bottom there's a signal box. When the train comes in, it's got one in the shed there, little carriage. And here is the water butt for the steam trains, where they get the water from. But here's the thing where the water comes out. On my train set, I've got this done, positioned. I just need to make myself somewhere on the train set. They don't have to be together, which is good. So remember, I've got to build one of these. I have to look at the other white ones and see what they look like. But yeah, that's it. Right, because look, a water pipe, it goes under here. As you can see, it goes under the ground and it comes up here, goes through there and it comes through and it comes out there. That's how it works. So it's a railway underneath here. Underneath. Just here. Not being used, just under here. It's got railway here, but under here, I just noticed. Yeah, it's the first time just seeing that. It must be part of the central line, that one bit. Show this, guys. This is the central line rail, original rail. And you've got one here, original route, so it used to come in here as well. This is the main line, while they go out on the trains. But yeah, this bit and this bit is the other tracks for the central line, where the central line used to come in and stay put, basically. So the extra ones coming in, going in and out. But yeah, there and there. Yeah, nice to see a bit of nice old central line history, and all got the railway sleepers just here, which is nice to see here at Ongar Railway. Next video you should see will be us on the platform, then you'll see the train we're going to get. Now, by the way, the train's going to go there, guys. It's going to come in, the people are going to go out there. Once they got off the train, they're going to take the barriers away, and then we walk up and go on the train there. Until then, we wait. Hi guys. Anybody's interested in this mask, there's a link in the description where I got it from. So don't forget to click the link to get your masks. And I've got a load of wide range of masks to pick from. It doesn't have to be the light up ones, it could be the cloth ones. But yeah, link in the description. And don't forget to check them out. Let's carry on our railway tour. The train has arrived. And an easy pace. It's going to stop here for the people to get off before we get on. drivers there, the train. We've got to get this view of a separate video, not on this video, a separate video of the train journey going to North Wales that way. But here at the moment we're just on the train, enjoying the view. Old classic train. Wow, like it. Looking forward to this. Tree of Ongar. We've got the old carriages here, if you can see. All the old carriages and the very retro ones are there. Driver's not ready yet, but there's an insight what it looks like, how they drive it, you see. Yeah, looking forward to this. The driver's gone down there, he's waiting, he's chilling for a minute because he's not ready to go yet. Gotta wait. But I'll see you at North Wales anyway, but it'll be a separate video for the train, don't worry. See you at North Wales. Off going back the other way now, going backwards. Went to Epping Forest, then we're going back to North Wales. Never to expect this, it's not bad. Bonus journey. Driver going the other way now, so you can see the outside of the railway. Awesome. To make a difference. Me. Did it for me. Views. Look at those views of the Epping Forest. Look at that view there. Wow. Awesome. He stopped. We're at North Wales. That's one of the diesels they use running, look. Just about there. Yeah, they hit the railway. This is the station. That's the name of the station, North Wales. We are here, we are here. Just one of the diesels there running. We're here. We was on this train a minute ago. Awesome. Let's get a picture of that front. Nice train to ride. Much enjoyable. I said they're cleaning it up before they finish. On the next run. The train we was just on. This one here. Awesome. I'm afraid guys, you only get the one-way trip. But I'm surprised it went to Epping Forest and back. So it's a bit of extra. Didn't expect that. But yeah. We're at North Wales anyway. And yeah. Just going to go to the shop now and explore Epping after this. On our way back to Epping town, I'll show you around Epping. Yeah, it's really Epping. Explore Epping. We're exploring quickly in Epping. This is our bus, nice and empty, nice and fresh, nice and cool. There's a way about a thing. Relaxing in Epping Club.
I bought a load of them. Is this CPD or
Lovely.
another one of them?
Go down the woods today and show off a big surprise.